Hey, welcome to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa, and here is a final review of the Grace and Beauty file folder folio. Okay, so it does measure 8.5 by 9.5. I did color the spine with Tyvek, colored Tyvek, that I do with my alcohol inks. Okay, I did use twine in here, and I just punched holes, and I do give you the measurements and how to do that. And then I used the washi tape and the brads from the collection. I did use the Simple Stories, the Indigo collection. Okay, and I did use about 20 sheets of paper, so it does take quite a bit of paper to make this, and it's completely made out of file folders. So you have this. I just kind of stripe the paper a little bit for just interest. Then here you have a little pocket that I just glued on 3 sides. Just some photo cards. And then this here has a little pocket. This thing really turned out very cute. Then you have a pocket here. And it doesn't take long to make this at all. And I just photo mat there, and it's partly it's made about like the signatures that we made, with just a few different aspects of it. Okay, so then here, there's our backside of our twine. Here I just split the paper, and then just glued 3 sides. Okay, so you can have a little tuck spot. Very gorgeous paper, gorgeous paper. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Then here I used washi tape just for a different aspect. I didn't want to get cut into any more paper, so I was trying to use up some of the scraps. And again, you've got 2 very nice pockets here. Okay, and I didn't make any photo mats for it. Okay. And then that flips. And then this here. So two more pockets. And then that. And again, the washi tape. Very cute. Then that. So this section here. Okay. So this section here is part of a signature. And then you've got this part here, which is another part of a signature. And then I just added some aspects to it. Okay. But it's basically on the same side as our ephemera holder is. So I hope you will make this very cute. I'm not for sure how many photos it will hold. I'm going to guess probably around 60. But yeah, I hope you make this, and I hope you enjoy this. All right. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.